How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you know?
No, I don't know.
Can you do it?
Yes, I can.
Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Do you want this?
Yes, please.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Did you finish?
Yes, I finished.
Do you need help?
No, I'm okay.
Is it good?
Yes, it's good.
Can you come?
Yes, I can come.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Are you busy?
Not really.
Is it working?
Yes, it's working.
Do you have time?
Yes, I have time.
Can you wait?
Sure, I can wait.
Is it ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Do you remember?
Yes, I remember.
Are you coming?
Yes, I'm coming.
Did you see it?
Yes, I saw it.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm fine.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine.
Can you help?
Yes, of course.
Do you want help?
Yes, please.
Are you free?
Yes, I'm free.
What is it?
It's nothing.
What happened?
Nothing happened.
What's that?
It's a book.
Who is it?
It's me.
What are you doing?
Nothing much.
Where are you going?
Just out.
What do you want?
I want some water.
Can I help you?
No thanks, I'm just looking.
Do you need something?
No, I'm okay.
What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong.
Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Did you hear me?
Yes, I heard you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Do you see it?
Yes, I see it.
What do you mean?
Never mind.
Do you get it?
Yes, I get it.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
What do you think?
I think it's fine.
Do you care?
Not really.
What's the matter?
Nothing's the matter.
Is something wrong?
No, nothing's wrong.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding.
What should I do?
Just wait.
Can I go?
Yes, you can go.
Can you help me?
Sure, what is it?
Please help me.
Okay, I'll help.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Can you give me that?
Here you go.
Please wait.
Okay, I'll wait.
Can you tell me?
Yes, what do you want to know?
Show me.
Like this.
Let me see.
Here, take a look.
Can I see?
Sure, here.
Give me a minute.
Take your time.
Wait a second.
Okay, waiting.
Tell me.
I'll tell you later.
Can you come here?
Yes, coming.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Can you move?
Sure, sorry.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I don't know.
That's fine.
Never mind.
Okay, no problem.
Whatever.
All right then.
What did you say?
I said it's ready.
Can you repeat that?
Sure, one more time.
Sorry, what?
I'll say it again.
What do you mean by that?
I mean it's too late.
Like what?
Like this one here.
For example?
For example, today.
Can you explain?
Sure, let me explain.
I don't get it.
Let me show you.
What does that mean?
It means wait.
Can you say that again?
Yes, I'll repeat it.
I didn't catch that.
No problem. I'll say it slower.
I agree.
Me too.
You're right.
Thank you.
That's true.
Exactly.
I don't think so.
Fair enough.
I disagree.
That's okay.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm certain.
I see your point.
Good.
Maybe you're right.
Thanks.
I'm not sure about that.
Let's check.
That makes sense.
I'm glad.
After you.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Thanks.
Please, take a seat.
Thank you very much.
Would you like some?
Yes, please.
Excuse me for a moment.
No problem.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
That's very kind.
My pleasure.
Thank you for your time.
Any time.
How was it?
It was good.
How did it go?
It went well.
What did you do?
Nothing special.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, it was fun.
Was it good?
Yes, very good.
Is it nice?
Yes, it's nice.
Do you like this?
Yes, I do.
How is it?
It's fine.
What's it like?
It's pretty nice.
What do you need?
I need a pen.
Do you need this?
No, I don't need it.
What do you want?
I want some coffee.
Do you want this?
Yes, I want it.
Do you want to go?
Yes, let's go.
Want to come?
Sure, I'll come.
Need anything?
No, I'm good.
Can you do this?
Yes, I can.
Can you come?
Yes, I'll come.
Can you wait?
Sure, no problem.
Can I come?
Yes, of course.
Can I ask?
Go ahead.
Can you try?
Okay, I'll try.
Could you help?
Sure, what do you need?
Could you wait?
Yes, I'll wait.
Could I ask something?
Yes, what is it?
Could I borrow this?
Yes, take it.
Can you believe it?
No, I can't.
Can you imagine?
I can't imagine.
Could you tell me?
What do you want to know?
Can you show me?
Sure, look here.
Could you explain?
Yes, let me explain.
Can I go now?
Yes, you can go.
Could we talk?
Sure, what about?
Can we go?
Yes, let's go.
Could this work?
Maybe, let's try.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
When?
Soon.
When are you coming?
In a few minutes.
When will you be back?
Later tonight.
When can you come?
Anytime after 5.
How long?
About an hour.
How long will it take?
Not long.
How much longer?
Just a few minutes.
When do you leave?
Tomorrow morning.
When does it start?
At 6.
When does it end?
Around 9.
What time do you finish?
I finish at 5.
Is it time?
Not yet.
Do you have it?
Yes, I have it.
Have you got it?
Yes, I got it.
Do you have time?
Yes, I do.
Have you finished?
Not yet.
Have you seen it?
Yes, I saw it.
Do you have one?
No, I need one.
Have you heard?
No, what happened?
Do you have plans?
Not really.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I just ate.
Do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
Have you decided?
Yes, I decided.
Do you have a question?
No, I'm good.
Where is it?
It's over there.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Where did you go?
I went home.
Where are you going?
To the store.
Where should I go?
Go that way.
Where did you put it?
On the table.
Where can I find it?
In the drawer.
Where's the bathroom?
Down the hall.
Where should we meet?
At the usual place.
Where were you?
I was outside.
Where do you live?
Near the park.
Where are we?
We're downtown.
Where does it go?
It goes there.
Where did it come from?
From the store.
Where's everyone?
They left already.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
Did you forget?
No, I didn't forget.
Don't you remember?
Oh yes, now I remember.
Hold on.
All right.
Just a second.
Sure.
One moment.
Take your time.
Pay attention.
I am paying attention.
Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Me?
Yes, you.
Really?
Yes, really.
No doubt?
No doubt at all.